Hey guys, Jeff Tricoli here, Southeast Florida. Just wanted to go over really quick in terms of preparing your home. Now that our season's in full swing, our market's definitely picked up a lot quicker this year than last year. So we're definitely in full swing and just want to talk about preparing a home. Right now, it's crucial to try to do that as quickly as possible. So normally it's not, hey, go in, full remodels, full kitchen remodels, full bathroom remodels. It's just basically the basics. So just to start, it's clean and clutter free. So just decluttering as much as possible, cleaning up as much as possible, maybe hiring a professional cleaner just to get everything prepped and looking fresh and ready to go. Second is just make it move-in ready. You know, it doesn't have to be a complete overhaul. Patches, repairs, things that are visual to buyers that they're going to point out throughout the walkthrough and touring the home, as well as their realtor may be pointing certain things out. So the more move-in ready it is in terms of not doing updates or upgrades, but just, the small little things that may need repair that, kind of stick out. Make sure you want to get that taken care of right away. And then staging. And staging doesn't mean let's bring in all this furniture, let's do this complete overhaul to your living room, bedroom, that sort of thing. Staging is just, maybe moving some furniture around, which we can certainly help with that. Kind of identifying what makes the rooms flow better, makes the rooms look bigger. So a lot of times it's just pulling some furniture out, maybe getting rid of some furniture. Depersonalizing is key too. So pulling that down, those personal pictures, because you want that buyer to make it feel like their home and not somebody else's home. So just getting it ready and kind of, prepping some of the outside, maybe some flowers or some mulch, but just keep the cost down. It doesn't need to be complete overhaul and major money spent on these type of things. The fourth thing is just pricing the home right. Just in the past 2 weeks, we've probably 4 of the homes we listed have actually gotten multiple offers that we've been able to get over asking price. Fifth thing, hiring the right agent to market it, getting a lot of buyers through the door, negotiating the best deal on your behalf, negotiating the best terms for you. We've even been able to, work out some lease backs and that sort of thing for certain sellers. So just making sure, getting the exposure out there, and then also getting the feedback. So a lot of time we can list a home, may not know all the things that may need to be done, but the more feedback we can get throughout the process to maybe touch up those little bit of things throughout the process is key as well. So again, this is just kind of a brief synopsis of getting your home ready, getting it on the market, trying to do it as quickly as possible. Again, if you want any more information or details, email us, call us, or text us. Again, this is Jeff Tricoli with the Tricoli Real Estate team here in Southeast Florida. Thank you again.